Hi, this is Srivalli. I'm here to tell my experience with the bariatric surgery, which I've got it done from Dr. Ramesh and Tulip. I actually have a multiple and various health issues, and for which I have got major surgeries done. So the main health issue is like overweight because of hormonal imbalance, and then I have CSF fluid for which I have to reduce the weight. So, but I have tried Nature Cure, I have tried liposuction, I have tried many other exercises and everything, but then I was 120 kgs by then. So when I've got this liposuction done, I got huge blisters and infection where I had to stay 25 days in hospital to clear the infection. So that's when I came to know about this bariatric surgery and about Dr. Ramesh and Tulip. I met them. They explained to me very carefully how it works, and I always am skeptical about the side effects of getting the bariatric surgery done, because I have heard many other side effects from people who haven't got this done. But then eventually I got convinced and I got the surgery done in 2010. So it was very much successful. So the one thing I want to tell you is, like, whatever the people told me the side effects, so are much minor. I mean, I could say it's zero when after getting the surgery done. And I have a thyroid, I have polycystic ovaries, and so many other health problems, and even my major problem of CSF headaches have also come down, and I have lost almost 50 kgs, and I've got a gastric sleeve, and I have gained my self-confidence in my job, and then I look beautiful, and I felt very good after the surgery. And after that, 4 years I was really good, and then again I became very indisciplined of having food again. Though I couldn't eat, but then I used to eat multiple times the sweets, and I used to binge eat during nights. But still I didn't put on a lot of weight though. And recently I got this bypass done because of I have a because of this overeating of spicy food and outside food. I have this heartburn for which I had to remove, and for that I have got this bypass done, and now I'm very much happy, and there's no heartburn, there's no gastric problems, and I'm very happy. So thanks to Tulip and Ramesh. And I really want to tell that, see, I've met many doctors in my life, and I have faced a lot of issues, and I mean, they really actually did a wrong surgeries for me, especially the neuro. But where Ramesh and Tulip always took care of me, even if I call at 11:30, or even if I call morning at 5:30, or any time, they used to return my calls back, and they used to suggest me. And every 4 weeks or every 3 weeks, they used to follow up for whether I'm taking tablets, or because I'm not into taking tablets. So, and they every 3 months they tell me to take blood test if I'm not good. So I'm like this now, and I'm very happy. Thanks to Tulip especially, and she's very inspirational, and Dr. Ramesh is like a sweetheart, and he helps everybody. He's such a big doctor, but still he picks up everybody's call and then makes us feel very good. So, and if you have any other inhibitions getting this surgery done, trust me, this is the best thing that you can do. But this exercises and other stuff, I don't know, it didn't work for me. So thank you.